Hello, welcome to day 2 of our Reader's Workshop. Today we're going to start connecting our science in with our reading work. So today our focus is again on I can ask questions. But this time we're going to use it in order to determine further research topics. All right, good readers ask themselves questions before they begin. Okay, they may look at the pictures, the title, they might read the captions and just start asking questions. They ask questions while they're reading to further understand. And they ask questions when they're done. Now that you've read this, what would you like to know? All right, and today's work is really going to focus in on those questions you ask yourself after you've read a topic. Okay, the article that we're going to read today is called Passion and Pride in the Forest. All right, it's in our same Partners in Survival mentor text, and it's on pages 14 through 15. All right, so today we're going to read this article for pleasure. Okay, please get in the habit of starting with the title and the pictures. Make some predictions about what you'll read. That will help you understand. Okay, read the article. Okay, and remember, in your benchmark, in your Clever account, there's the benchmark book. If you need to or would like to have it read to you, you may do that as well. All right, and today we're really going to focus in on the questions that you have after you're done reading. Right, and we're going to jot down those questions in the margin. We're going to try to identify topics that you would like to research further. Okay, so after reading the article, what would you like to know more about, or what would you like to research more about? Right, that's what you're answering in the margin. All right, and then part 2 of your assignment. Okay, this will be done right in Kami. You'll see a connection or a link to the assignment in your Schoology account. And this is going to focus or get us to start thinking about, why did the author write this? It says, why do you think the author wants to tell the story he shares in Passion and Pride in the Forest? Cite 2 details that helped you answer. All right, so be careful. This answer will require more than a 1-sentence answer. Okay, why do you think the author wrote this story? And then you're giving 2 details that support your answer. Okay, and you'll notice in the rubric, in order to earn full credit, you'll have to have answered the question and given 2 details that help support it. Right? And as always, capital letters and periods. Okay? All right, get to work. I hope you enjoy the article and reach out if you have any questions.